It's a beautiful day in Discovery World, a beautiful day to discover. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I have always wanted a designer just like you. So let's make the most of this beautiful day. And since we're together, we might as well say, could you be mine? Would you be mine? Please, won't you be my designer? Hi designers, did you see the puppet that I brought in with me today? This is made out of something called fibers. And these fibers are felt. They don't tear or rip apart. Have you ever thought about how fabrics are designed? I have an example of it here. Designers use thread and needles to attach multiple pieces of fabric together. The thread weaves back and forth to connect two parts. Let's go to the Kids Corner land of make-believe and see other ways fabrics are designed.
Have you ever thought about how writing or a picture can make its way onto a bag or shirt? Many times it's screen printed. I'll show you how you can make it.
Me, wow! That's fantastic! Do it again and again! I want to know how the fabrics themselves are made.
Similar to sewing, you weave threads. By weaving around the thread many times, you can create a fabric.
That's unbelievable! I want to make my own weaving.
Thank you for joining us today, designer friends. I hope you enjoyed learning about fibers with us. I'm going to try these projects out, and I hope you try them too. Visit us in the Kohl's Design It Lab during the month of February to create your own weaving projects.
What are you guys still doing here?
You cat to be kidding me right meow.